Twabam! Yo, Passion Java. Right, so today we are talking about Prophet Passion Java. I think he's one of the most trending prophets, especially in Zimbabwe at the moment. So today our video, or what we are talking about, zvinobvumidzwa here zviri kuitwa na Prophet Passion Java. Is it allowed for a man of God to do what he is doing, or zvaarikuita zvese zvazvo? If I'm talking about zvaarikuita, I am talking about kuratidza mahelicopter, maprivate jet, kuratidza maLamborghini. Mwari vanozvida here? Zvinobvumidzwa here kuti vanga vachirarama that kind of a life, kuti vanga vachitenga mahelicopter, vachiburitsa mavideos showing us his lifestyle, vasikana vebasa vari mumamota vachidya chikafu chinonaka and all those things? Is it allowed? Is it a good thing that he's doing? Because there are times that you are seeing he's in church and then sometime later he's not in church, he's in a helicopter vachiudza vanhu kuti guys, paunotsvaka mari tadai so. So is it allowed? Is it a good thing that he is doing? So let's talk about it. Right, if you are a Christian, alright, if you are new to this channel, be sure to click subscribe. Pakesi TV, you just scroll and then you also like this video. You know what I'm talking about. Right, so let's get into it. Prophet Passion, what I can say is a man of God, and I think I can say he's just a millennial prophet, like some people have been calling him recently. He's a millennial prophet. And millennials, I mean, I don't know, millennials. So these millennials, according to a research that I did, millennials are 90, 91, I think, 90s. Millennials. So he's a millennial pastor, he's a millennial man of God. He understands the things that the millennials are going through, and he is not being religious with his Christianity, and that is true. Because you know what, most of the churches nowadays, they act all holy, vanotaka kuita chaizvo kuti isusu tiswere vana musande chaivo vanoita zvinhu chaizvo perfectly, of which most of those guys zvipande hopo. Vanhu vanenge vaine vachidana nevakadzi vevanhu, vanhu vachiita zvinhu zvakawanda zvakasiyana-siyana zvivi hopo mumachechi umu. Even to those guys who teach people and also tell people kuti you have to be holy, and some of them vanenge vatoriwo nezvindete. It's just that we have not yet seen them. Kuna vanhu vanototuka vanhu vachitaura kuti mai ava vakabanyama, hatitombodi kuvaona, this and that. Christianity doesn't work like that. The good thing is, some of those guys vakatotaura dhara kuti we are not Christians. So if they are not Christians, we can't be talking about them after all. So Christianity is it is a lifestyle. It is not like some kind of a religion. A list of do's and don'ts, like what most churches do. Because zvakawanda zvinoaffecta the youth of today, kana kuti isusu mayouth emanje kana kuti vanhu venguva ino. We've got so many things that are affecting us, but we can't talk about them, especially in our churches, in our traditional churches. Because if we talk about those things in our traditional churches, you'll be labeled mutadzi, and like you'll be discriminated. But here comes a man of God who comes and says, yes, I'm a man of God and I am preaching Jesus Christ, and I have to do things that can help me to reach out to the people. Because if you check, even Jesus Christ, there was a time yakatomboda kunetserwa nemapharisees and Sadducees vachiti, no, why is it that Jesu ari kutambana naRazaro? Those guys were sinners, the outcast of the society, especially when it comes to vanoziti tinonamata. Kuna vanoziti isusu tisu maguru ekunamata atikanganise anoona. So Jesu akaenda kwavari kune vanhu vanonzi vatadzi, malepers, those guys, the outcast of the society. Akati, you guys, you need to come here. And that's how he also ended up saying, ini ndakatovinga vacho vakarasika. So it's also something that a man of God can do. He can do things that can help him to get to the world, or to reach out to the world. So when you're looking at a man like Prophet Passion Java, he's a man who is reaching out to the peers, or to the people of his age. Isus uzotiudza kuti no guys, Christianity hairwadzi kana kuti haibhowe. You can be a Christian and you can live your life, you can enjoy your Christianity. It doesn't matter what the enemy thinks or what some people think. If you check, I've been trying to see, ndakaona wangu vachitawo skit vachituka Prophet Passion vachitati handidye mari hanzi mari yembwa or something like that. And the man was speaking, of course it was some kind of a joke, but though it wasn't a funny joke after all, he was saying it in a way that was so passionate. He was showing, I know this man is doing what he's doing, and he's showing people Maria Sina. But if you check, who can fake what this man is doing? Who can fake that? How can you fake, to not fake a helicopter? You fake how can you fake all those things? The man is not faking anything. The man is showing us his Lamborghini. Look at that. He's showing us his Lamborghini, and he showed us the day he bought it. And I know some people can say, come on, these things we know, do not go hire, no go rent, and all those things. But this man has got his own house, and he said, you can go and Google, you can do your research and see this house actually belongs to me. It is in Alabama or something like that. So it is a good thing. You can be a Christian. I think what Prophet Passion is just showing us is that you can be a Christian and you can enjoy life and you can be very rich and you can be living the life that you're supposed to be living. Because even if you check in the Bible, there was a time when Jesus Christ, there was a time when Paul said, he became poor so that we can become rich. So for us to reach like what this man is doing, for him to be able to reach out to vatadzi in courts, vatadzi like mafaces him dance or chichichi, mchivhundudzira mchiti iwe muchavhundudzira muchiti aiwa tikude kunoku tinoda isusu chete vanonamata kana kuti vanozivikanwa kunzi tisu vanhu vaMwari. And he is saying, no, we don't do that. But I will go and reach out to those guys. And some people are saying, no, and all those things. But if you check, there was a time when he said, I can go to Japraise, I can go to big artists, I can go to Davido and talk about him and he's not doing that. He's going to the guys we can't say that Passion Java is going to do youth so that he can get money from him. No, he's actually the one who is giving the guy some money, or maybe I can say he's giving him the opportunity to shine. So there's nothing wrong with that. So you can be a pastor preaching the word of God and also doing, because you also have a life to live. You are not on the pulpit 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You've got a life to live. So this man is just showing us, I've got, I can live a life. He can get into his car and he can dance. He can get into his helicopter with his model, his girlfriend, his life. No, not his girlfriend, his wife. He can get in there and he can show us his life, and also he can wear a Black Panther suit. Just like, there's nothing wrong with that. Because we all know, and if I say Black Panther, if I say Wakanda forever, even if you're a Christian, you know what I'm talking about. You've watched Black Panther, you've watched Avengers, you've done all those things. So this man is just showing us what some men of God don't show us or don't like to show us. So it all comes back to issue of character. The man enjoys it. He wants to show us. He wants to show us his life. He wants to show us that you can be a Christian in the 21st century. In 2019, you can be a Christian and you can enjoy life. You can live your own life without issues. So this is it. The man is getting into his helicopter and he's got, his pilot and he's got his drivers, motorway and all those things. So there's nothing wrong with that. You have to understand one thing. If you're a Christian, you need to live a happy life. So anything that can make you happy. Obviously, we're not talking about, going out and sinning. And if you check, this man is not doing anything or something like that. He's just living his life. So hapana pambonzi Passion Java atorera munhukadzi. Hapana pambonzi Passion Java azobaka ndazodaseka ndazodaseka. He's just living his life. And from the way I saw him, he's got nothing against anybody. From the way I saw it, some people can try to get him to fight Najinimbi and all those things, but he's just living his life, and there's nothing wrong with that. You understand? So if you're a Christian, you really want deep down to associate Nana Prophet Passion, but you're afraid of doing so because you are saying to yourself, what if he's not a man of God? Come on, relax, just take it easy. Why not to man of God? Yeah, not my opinion. What I was doing train yesterday. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comments box, and also do not forget to click the subscribe button so that you not miss future uploads. Let's enjoy life. You know, Prophet Passion is actually a role model to many of us. You know, even the pastors, the men of God, and also the young people, which is good because he's not doing anything wrong. Like, let me tell you something, the man is doing nothing wrong. What he's doing is okay, is very okay. We have got lives to live, and let him enjoy his life to the fullest. Know what I'm saying?